Alrighty, so our Dragonfly Sit Up. You're going to need a rig or something that we can hold on to that's extremely stable. So if you've got something that's just standing upright, I don't know, like a bike say, probably not enough to support. We want something that can basically support our weight. So make sure it's fixed, generally a rig. So with our Dragonflies, what we want to do is lay down. We want to make sure that we don't have our arms completely straight, but we don't want them up around the head as well. So I can probably come down just a little bit more. And then from there, I'm able to lock on and really make sure that I'm able to engage. From here, we start with our legs relatively straight. We're going to be coming up all the way and then lowering down under control, making sure that we keep that back nice and rounded. So we're staying in flexion the entire time. If we come into extension with the back, so we're opening up too much, we're then unable to keep those abs locked on. So we want to make sure we're in that flexion, spinal flexion.